I'm Ellie Johnson, also known as Mrs. Murals. Set up Mrs. Murals when I was made redundant back in 2018. You know, it's something that I've always loved doing is painting walls, and I thought, right, I wonder if I can make a business out of it. I am so proud to be a part of this project. It is a brilliant environmental project that we're trying to raise awareness of the importance of protecting nature and the environment around us. The designs are based on nature and have the themes of flowers, birds, bees and butterflies. The plan is to just sort of cover as much of the walls as we possibly can with bright and beautiful things to try and spread that environmental message.